Alright, I got an unboxing today. Got Airsoft GI and e-bike. So, I'm going to use this knife to open up my e-bike package. And let's see what I got. This is just something little. Alright, this is a, let's see, read that, mag guard to go on my pistol, you know, so, oops, sorry, so I don't lose it. And so that's that. Alright, so that's thing number one. Put this away. And then box number two, Airsoft GI. I'm going to use it with this knife. Alright, so hope you guys can see this. Yeah. Alright. Got my packing paper. I love that stuff. And I got my order, and now I did order a pistol retention lanyard, but it's on back order, so I'll get that when it comes in. But what I did order was a tactical drop leg holster made by Condor. So let's see, there you go, tan, see, drop leg, you know, it's pretty nice, it's very nice actually. And so that's that. Thanks for watching.